Hello, welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words cancel, counsel, and counsel. Let's look at each one individually. Cancel, verb or noun. To decide not to do something that was planned. To stop a service or agreement. For example, we had to cancel our vacation due to bad weather. The event organizers announced a last-minute cancel of the concert. Counsel, noun or verb. Advice, especially given formally. To give advice to someone. For example, she sought legal counsel before signing the contract. The therapist counseled the couple on improving their communication. Council, noun. A group of people elected or chosen to give advice, make rules, or manage something. For example, the city council voted to approve the new park project. The student council organizes school events and represents student interests. To summarize, cancel relates to stopping plans or services. Counsel involves advice or advising. Counsel refers to a group of people making decisions or giving advice. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.